Hey folks, just wanted to take a minute and show you how to build a linear outline in Google Docs. This also applies in Microsoft Word. So I'm picking a topic. The topic that I want to just use is CRISPR. If you don't know what CRISPR is, then you should look into it. It's very fascinating and highly compelling. So to build an outline, the first thing I need to do in order to initiate outline mode is capital I, period, and space. And I don't know if you noticed that, but the Roman numeral 1 just jumped a little bit and that we are now in outline mode. So if I type in intro and hit enter, you'll see that it actually puts me into Roman numeral 2. But if I wanted to put some things under intro, all I have to do is hit tab, and it automatically puts me at the capital A. So I might ask my questions. What is it? What is the history? Now, when I hit enter, I go to C because I can have many subtopics underneath. But for my purpose, I want to actually move to Roman numeral 2. So all I'm going to do is hit enter again, and it automatically does it for me. And now I'm going to start just sort of filing my driving questions, my big questions. So I might say something like this. Okay, and then I might say let's see. We might ask okay, just as an example. And then a conclusion. And so again, from here, if I wanted to dig into this big question, I would simply hit enter and then tab, and it'll get me into this first question. And that is true for any of these. Enter, tab. And I can start to do my research and start to find those answers. Now, so I have this question: how can this technology be used in medicine? So let's say that I go to one of my sources. So I found an online article from the Harvard University, and I did find something here about its uses in medicine. So as I'm looking over the information, I can see, like right here, it says replacing the mutant form of the gene with its correct sequence might be a good use. So I'm going to put that in my own words. We can correct mutated genes. Now, that's something that I can obviously articulate better at another time, but I'm going to copy the URL and I'm going to paste it. Now you can paste it, however you want, but you want to make sure that you have the source connected to your information in some way, shape, or form, so that when you actually go to write it, one, you know where to go to find that information again, and two, it's readily available for you to give credit to. All right, so that's the idea. The outline would then be built. Oh, the outline would then be built, with all your A's and B's. And just so you know, also, if you hit enter and you have your B here, you can also hit tab, and you can have subtopic after subtopic after subtopic within a linear outline. So take your driving questions, build your outline skeleton, and then as you're doing research and finding information and answers to your questions, start to, in abbreviated form, fill in the information, and so that what you have at the end is a full outline of your findings. That's going to be a great tool when it comes time to write your rough draft.